Hey friends, I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I've already primed my eyes with the Sigma base primer in Persuade and set my eyes with the Tarte translucent powder. Taking our Sigma E35, we're going into the shade I'm Cold. Now we're just applying this to the crease of our eyes, maybe a little bit higher.
I've been hungover since the weekend. Last night,
so we're just building up this color.
ID got stolen. I dropped my phone, cracked the screen. Roommate
Just kind of blending it up to the top.
smoked all my weed. My life's a mess, I didn't notice.
So far, I haven't noticed any fallout.
Whenever bad shit happens, doesn't bother me at all.
Still using our E35, we're going into the shade Blue Blood. Now we're going to apply this to our crease, but from the outer corner to the center and maybe just a tiny bit right here towards the inner corner. But I really want to focus mainly on the center and the outer corner.
No, I'ma do it how I want, so don't feel no fear. Living young and
It actually has quite a bit of fallout in the pan.
reckless. I don't really give a fuck. No, I just turn the music up so I can't hear. Dancing like I'm alive, dancing just to survive. Dancing like I'm
I want to pull some of that down on the outer corner of my eye
alive, moving like
and then just kind of blend it on out to the rest of my lid.
I'm alive.
I'm taking my Sigma E34 and going into the shade Blue Monday. We're going to apply Blue Monday on the outer corner of our eyes.
To survive, moving like I'm alive. Hey, hey, hey. My credit card is at
I'm starting to notice a little bit of fallout underneath my eye with Blue Monday.
I missed my Uber by a minute.
Just bringing that in a little bit more.
No one's home, lost my keys. Tinder's got no match for me. My life's a mess, I just go with it. Whenever bad shit happens, doesn't bother me at all. No, I'ma do it how I want, so don't feel no fear.
Using that same brush, we're going to go into Undertaker. We're going to apply Undertaker to the outer corners of our eyes, but we're going to try not to go in too far as much as we did with that Blue Monday shade.
Been selfish, I don't really give a fuck. No, I just turn the music up so I can't hear. Dancing like I'm alive, dancing just to survive.
I'm kind of looking funny. So we're taking our E55 and going back into the shade I'm Cold. We're going to apply this to the inner corners of our eyes.
Dancing like I'm alive, moving like I'm alive, moving just to survive.
All right, we're going back into Blue Blood. We're going to apply this to the center of our eyelid.
Moving like I'm alive.
We're getting our E35 and we're going to blend together this color. I just want to add a little bit more Blue Blood and I'm Cold. We're taking our E37 and we're just gonna go blend these corners a little bit more. Blend down. We're taking our E16 and going into I'm Cold. We're actually gonna apply this to the inner corners of our eye and drag it on out towards the end. I don't know why, but lately my eyes around the inner corners and underneath have become so ticklish whenever I use brushes.
She dyed her hair blue. She's going through.
Oh, goodness. Oh my gosh, I don't know why. What the heck? Have you guys ever had that problem? Just all of a sudden, one day it just starts tickling and then all of a sudden it always tickles when you do that. It's never used to happen. Oh my gosh.
Life crisis 22. She thinks she's so.
Taking that same brush, we're going into blue blood. We're gonna apply this to the outer corner on into the center.
Well, I hate to admit it, but I think she knows, I think she is too. Oh yeah, she doesn't.
Now we're going into Blue Monday. We're gonna apply this to the outer corners, a little bit towards the center, not quite the center, but you know.
Want another boy like me, another LOSCR who thinks he can sing. Baby,
Y'all know we're going into Undertaker now and applying this to the outer corners of our eyes.
be your Nirvana in the 90s. Somebody's gonna
With our E21, we are going to smudge this on out.
love you. Somebody's gonna take your broken heart and make it brand new.
I'm getting quite a bit of fallout, so I think you should do your eye makeup before you do the rest of your makeup.
Gonna love you. Take all of the dark, turn it to light and paint your sky blue. Somebody's gonna love.
With our E16, we're going into Cullinan. We're gonna apply Cullinan to the inner corners of our eyes.
Somebody's gonna love. Somebody's gonna love. Somebody's gonna love you.
We're gonna blend this a little bit.
Love you. She told me goodbye. Thank you for playing the game, baby.
This is so different from what I would normally do for an eyeshadow look. With our E20, we're going into the shade Cullinan. You know we're gonna use this as our brow bone highlighter.
Made a nice try. Won't be the last time. Somebody's losing sleep
Okay, just blend this a tad.
over that smile in those beautiful eyes. Oh.
I'm gonna fix the foundation underneath my eyes, and I'm going to apply my lash primer and mascara off camera. So this is the final look.
She doesn't want another boy like me. Another LOSCR who thinks he can sing. Baby, let me be your Nirvana in the 90s.
This is really out of my element. I feel like a clown.
Somebody's gonna.
Whatever. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. Also, be sure to have your notifications turned on. I post a new video every Monday. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Somebody